I am going to teach or demonstrate how to use Matplotlib. So first, let's go to Naconda Navigator and let's use the Jupyter Notebook. Open lang po natin. So let's open a new file. So let's start. First, import Matplotlib with the pipeline as PLT. Then today we have just a simple example. We're just having a data for plotting. And so we have two axes, the y-axis and the x-axis. First is the x-axis equal to x-axis have a odd number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the y-axis we have the even number, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So then create a basic line plot. So let's create a basic line plot. So next, plt dot plot is equal to open parenthesis x and y add the label, which is equals to y equal to x the color equal blue and the marker, which is circle or O, a belong. So add the labels and titles. Let's add the labels and title. Then plt dot x label capital X axis then plt y label y axis. Next is plt dot title So next, let's add the legend. Add the legend. PLT dot legend, close and open parentheses, then display the plot. Display the plot, PLT dot show, open and close parentheses. So we already done to our program of matplotlib.pyplot. So let's run the program. So here, gumana yung hindi siya nag-error. So this is the simple line plot. Which is x and y axis, and our labels, the basic line plot is the label, color, and marker. So yung label natin is y2 times ito, then ito siya, then the color is blue, tama naman yung kulay, then the marker natin ay below. So kung papalitan natin, pwede naman natin palitan siguro ng I guess, bakit mayroon ba? Mag-error to pag pinalitan ng shape. Tingnan natin. 0. I guess pag-error to. So, mag-open tayo ng another program para makita natin kung nagana ba siya pag iibahin. So, ilaran natin kung magraran ba siya. Nag-error siya. So, dapat talaga bilog lang ang shape. Wala naman tayong ibang shape dito. So, yun. That's all. Thank you.